Good morning, my brothers and sisters. I wanted to come on and do a short video about unplugging from the Matrix. So, with that being said, my brothers and sisters, let's give thanks to the Most High. Most High, I give you thanks. Okay, my brothers and sisters, I've been unplugged for, I say, like about a week now, and I'm here to tell you, unplugging your TV, using your phone for only emergency purposes or work projects and things like that, my brothers and sisters, and stop surfing YouTube, stop surfing any other sites. I'm here to encourage you this morning, my brothers and sisters. It will save your life. If you take a break, it will save your life. Too much of the devil devices will kill you. The radiation, why do you think they create 4G, 3G, 5G, all these GGs, right? They know what they're doing. That's why it's good to unplug. Don't use things in moderation. If you gotta use your phone for work purposes, get on there, use it for your work purposes. Exactly what you should be doing it for. Put a limitation on how much time you come online and spend on each site. You have to balance your life out. You have to balance your life out with other things like relationships, family ships, your kids, your spouse, your friends, and your work. That's what you call balancing your life out, my brothers and sisters. You can't just go full force on one thing. Like, say for instance, like, you be the type of person, you're a workaholic, so you're gonna focus on mainly that thing. Researching and just going, after fulfilling your goals. And then you start neglecting your home life, your family life, and things like that. So we need to have balance in our life. And, we're building with our family and our professional life and with our children and stuff like that. So I encourage you, my brothers and sisters, get balance in your life. You can meditate on that. They got meditations that you can do to balance out your situation, whatever you got going on. So, that being said, my brothers and sisters, unplug from the Matrix real quick. Like, limit that TV watching, that game playing. Like, your children, talk to your children about limit their time on the video games all day long and stuff like that. It's more things in life than to be. There's more things in life on your phone. There's more things in life. It's an outside out there that you can go and enjoy life in a personal relationship with your family, with your spouse, with your friend. Hell, with yourself. You know what I'm saying? Go out there and enjoy nature one-on-one with the Most High. That's where you can start to build your relationship right there with the Most High, intimate relationship. Take it into nature, sit under a tree, get you a journal book and journal and write your thoughts, things like that. Write out your manifestation. I just did a video about manifestation, how you do that and stuff like that. These videos is helpful. These things should you should be doing in your life currently, right now. You shouldn't have to wait till tomorrow. You shouldn't have to wait for somebody to tell you. Man, y'all should be operating in this type of situation right now in your life. There's no reason you should be walking around able-bodied and complaining about what you don't have, but you ain't doing nothing to do anything to get what you need or what you asking for. Okay? What are you doing? It's one thing to say, oh, I wish I had this, I want that, I want this, or blah, blah, blah. But what you, on the other side of the camera, what are your actions? What are you doing? The steps are you doing to take to get that thing? Is you working on that thing? Is you researching that thing? Is you praying about that thing? Is you speaking positivity about that thing in your life? Is you visualizing that thing in your life? These are the things you should be doing in your life every single day of your life. If you want happiness, you want joy, you want humbleness, contentness, these are the things that you should be operating in every single day of your life. You are rich already. See, material things don't make you rich. Check it out. See the ones who's rich, they got more problems than the poor folk. So that tells you right there. Switch it off. Stop allowing them to teach you these things that no longer serve you in life. The things that serve you in life, see, they're not going to teach it to you. They're not going to tell you nothing. They're going to charge you for it. They're definitely going to charge you for it. So I encourage you to encourage yourself. Unplug from the matrix. Retrain your brain. Renew your mind. See things in a new perspective. You know? There's no joy in the house of the Lord. If you're not bringing joy. So we got to bring joy. We got to bring what we want to change in our own lives into the world. To the world as a whole. We can't be selfish. We can't just say, oh, this is for me, this is for me. No. You need to share with the world. You need to share what God has shared with you. Yes, I'm talking to you, my brothers and sisters. Everything don't have to have a charge. Everything don't have to have a fee. Understand what I'm saying to you? So I encourage you, my brothers and sisters, to get right with the situation. Check into the situation. You know? It'll work itself out. Just gotta believe, have faith, meditate. You would defeat every situation. Or you gave it your best try. A try is better than not doing da. A try is better than not moving. A try is better than not doing anything at all. You can say, damn, I tried today. Damn, I put a foot on that today. I put a hand on that. I put a thought into that. I spoke that positive affirmation over my situation. You know? So, with that being said, my brothers and sisters, I encourage each and every one of you to encourage yourself that you can defeat anything if you give it a try. You never know what works for you, right? So, with that being said, my brothers and sisters, I love each and every one of you, and I thank each and every one of you for stopping by to see the SalesLadyBossUp Pop Lock and Don't Hurt channel. Unplug from the Matrix. It will change your life. It will change your destiny. Give it a try. You never know. Listen to what God has in store for you. You can't hear God if you got this plan, if you got this all in your head. My brothers and sisters, you must unplug to hear what God has in store for you. Alright? So, that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Unplug, 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 unplug. Okay. Let that be your next challenge. And let God talk to you. Let Him. Learn to hear the voice of the Lord, because He really is speaking. He's speaking to all of us. So, that being said, the chosen has spoken. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace, my brothers and sisters. See you in the next one. Bye, guys.